All right, here's Curly. That's good scenting. Good job. That was awesome. So now he's got to figure out how to get it out of that box. Nice job. Pretty cool to watch him work. Did you get it all? I'm just gonna check. Oh, no, he didn't get it all yet, so he's working it. So he actually dumped the bowl over on himself. I'll give him a little bit of help because that's not the easiest thing to get to. It did make it a little more harder on Curly, so I think he can handle it. Takes a minute to get started, but once he gets the idea, there's no stopping this guy. Good job. Nice job, Curly, and I'm going to remove the box. Good job. Very nice.